everybody, coming back to you with the ammonia test. So, ammonia, what exactly is ammonia? Well, you got your handy dandy card here that you'll have. The kids will also have a copy as well too. So ammonia is present in any water source, pretty much. The primary sources of ammonia in water are bacterial decomposition of organic waste, okay, and excretions, from aquatic animals. Ammonia serves as a source of nitrogen, which is used as a nutrient for the growth of aquatic plants. So, do we want ammonia? Yes, we do want some ammonia. But it comes in two forms, ionized and unionized. Ammonia is naturally present in low quantities, less than about 1 part per million, in non-polluted, well-oxygenated environments. So, hopefully we're around less than 1 part per million. If we're above 1 part per million, then that might, signify that our water source is polluted. Now, this is Onion Creek, and good old Dripping Springs is dumping their effluent here, so I'm guessing when we get to the nitrate levels, we might have a little bit higher, but we'll see. So right now, ammonia, but well-oxygenated waters may reach 5 to 10 parts per million in areas with low dissolved oxygen and large amounts of decaying organic material. So we're going to find out. Hopefully, we're less than 1, but we will see. Similar to the other ones, you also have your color chart, okay? So, your color chart on this one, be aware there's fresh and salt water, so make sure you go to the fresh side, not the salt water side. This one has 2 tablets, has a 1 and a 2, so 1 goes first, right? Your water sample in this one is going to be 5 ml, okay? So make sure you're using your bucket full of water there. You're going to pop your tab in. You want to make sure when you're popping your tab in, you get everything in, all right? Mine's kind of breaking apart a little bit as I do it. Tab 1, you actually don't need to wait once you have it fully dissolved. Then you can add 2, and then you're going to add 5 minutes. So once again, make sure you're using your stopwatch or your phone or whatever you got for your timer. We're getting there. Not quite disintegrated just yet. All right, we're going to shake it up. No songs this time, I swear. These instructions are also on your card as well that the kids will have. So, add 1, cap, tube, mix until tablet has disintegrated. We're almost there. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Then we're going to add number 2. Now on the pack, on the full pack, you'll see it says number 2. Alright, I think we're good. Also, we don't want the kids to get this stuff on them, but they're going to wash their hands before lunch anyway, so it should be okay. Same type of thing. Use your foil pack, punch it out, get it all the way in there. Cap until it's disintegrated. And then once it's disintegrated, you're going to start your timer for 5 minutes. I think what we're finding out with these tests is it's not quite taking the full 5 minutes. However, you have the luxury of doing that only because we want this activity to be taking 20 to 25 minutes. As the kids rotate from activity to activity, they're going to be very close, so if you run over a little bit, you'll probably be okay. We will use a air horn to signify rotation, so all the kids will rotate at the same time. And then at the end of each activity, we have 3 open-ended questions for them when they get back to journaling. One thing is now, what do they know now that they didn't know before? One is how does this affect me and my environment? And the other one is draw a picture or write a poem about now how you feel about your environment. We want to hit the kids on all levels, making sure that they're learning, they're feeling, they're seeing, they're doing, because that's going to be the most effect that they will have on their ability to recall all of these things. All right, look at that, guys. Isn't that so cool? I know I'm like a geek for science, right? But I think it's awesome because they got the water source in front of them, and they're just going to have everything. It's going to be so awesome. And y'all are going to do a great job. So, same thing. It is completely dissolved. We'll let it go a little bit because there's some suspended material in there. Okay, let's see what we're doing on our timer. Alright. So once again, we're going to wait the full 5 minutes with our activity with kids, but just for video's sake, so you're not staring at me and my face for the next 5 minutes, or 3 minutes and 45 seconds, we'll go ahead and do our best to match it up. So remember, fresh water, labeled fresh. Let's take a look at it. What were we hoping for? Y'all remember? Less than about 1, right? It's pretty green. What do you think, class? Maybe like a 0.5? You know? Not quite fully green, but not quite teal on the one, so maybe a 0.5, 0.75. The kids can record however they want to, 0.5, 0.75. If they think it's a 0, whatever, it doesn't matter. They might get some different answers. That's A-okay, all right? So once again, have them record it on their sheet. This is something they're taking home with them. So I'll be back with the next couple tests, and that will include our water chemistry.